Hi, so now here is the another task. Let me open the data first. So it is over here. uh, yeah, so I will open IndiaAdmin 0, IndiaAdmin 1, and then I will open IndiaAdmin 2. So now this is the vector data file with the district as the boundary. Now here the task is I want to select those districts which belongs to Madhya Pradesh, and I want to create a separate vector file containing those districts. So how can I do that? Yeah, so one option is I will identify and select those districts here which belongs to Madhya Pradesh, and I can export them as another vector data file which we have learned in earlier video. So let's try out that first. Okay, let me zoom in over this file. So I know this is Madhya Pradesh. So what I can do, I will use identify feature and see whether the district is of Madhya Pradesh or not. Okay, so this is a Sagar which belongs to Madhya Pradesh. Okay, then this is a neighboring district. Again this is also Madhya Pradesh. This is also Madhya Pradesh. So these three districts are Madhya Pradesh, so I will select those districts by using select feature. 1, 2, 3. I can also check the other remaining districts by using same identifier tool. Okay, this is a Chhindwara, this is again a Madhya Pradesh. This is a Sioni, Madhya Pradesh. This is Betul, again Madhya Pradesh. So I know these all districts are of Madhya Pradesh, so I will select those. And then I can do this entire exercise for all the districts. I think there are some 50 odd districts in Madhya Pradesh, and the earlier method I will export those selected features from here. Export selected features, and here I will use the save selected feature as option. Then I will give a file path, so I will say MP district, and I will again save it. Ensure that this checkbox is checked, otherwise it will export entire IndiaAdmin 2 file as the MP district file. Then I am selecting OK. Okay, so now I have selected this as a MP district file, but here I was assuming that we are selecting entire all 50 features by using identifier tool, and this is how the attribute table looks like. But this is a really a tiring exercise, because here you are manually identifying each feature, and sometimes it is not desirable. Imagine a file where you have 100 features, then what is to be done? So there is another way. Remember, in GIS you can do the same thing by multiple ways. So this is the strength of this software. So what I will do, I will go to the IndiaAdmin 2 and I will open its attribute table. Now the attribute table is over here, and I want to select only those districts which belongs to Madhya Pradesh. First let me deselect all, so nothing is there, no selection is there. I know this column includes the name of the districts, this column includes the name of the state, and so on. At present I am interested in this particular column. So what I will do, I will look for the districts which belongs to Madhya Pradesh, and I will select over here. But another way is I can sort these values by just clicking over here. Once I do this, all these values are sorted alphabetically, so that now I can see all the values of Madhya Pradesh which are clubbed together. So I can go down. Yeah, so now I have all the values of Madhya Pradesh over here. So the values are starting from here, and I can select all these values by pressing shift. So I will select the first value, then I press shift, and then I will scroll down and I will select the last value, which is last value is over here. Okay, so what I did, I selected the first row with the value of Tikamgarh, and then I press shift and selected the last row. So by doing this, I have selected all the features which belongs to Madhya Pradesh state. So now the job is done. Now I can again right click and again export the features by using option called save selected feature as. Then again I will give a file path, don't forget to give a file path, and I will again give a name to the file, MP district 1. Just ensure that you are not using space while naming a file, otherwise sometimes it creates problem. I'm saving it. Ensure that save only selected feature is pressed, and then pressing OK. So now it has created MP district 1 file with all these features, and so now I can look into the attribute table. This is the attribute table over here, and so it has exported all the columns, all 5 columns, 6 columns, and 50 features. You can see over here there are number of features are 50. Okay, so you can use this method as an alternative method for selecting district. However, again, this is again a cumbersome technique. Imagine if you have the large number of features and then using scrolling down the attribute table and carefully selecting those all the values sometimes can create a problem, can lead to some error. So there is a one more way of doing the same things. What I can do, I will again open an attribute table over here, and I will use an option called select feature using an expression, which is over here. Okay, over here I can click on this option. Once I click it, it gives me the another window where I can write the expression. So what the expression will be, logically I want to select a state name which is equal to Madhya Pradesh. So I am going to process this attribute table with specific focus on this column, which is represented as state name, written as a ST_NM as an abbreviation. So I will go over here in the field and paths, field and values. So if you click over here, you will get the list of all the header rows of the attribute table. So you can see over here district, state name, state census code, district census code, and so on. I am interested in this column, so I will double click state name. Once you double click, it will appear over here in this expression window where you can see the expression. Now you can see the expression state name. Either you can type the expression if you know the syntax, or better use the facilities provided over here. then I can type state name equal to, so I will press again over here equal to. So the expression is state name equal to Madhya Pradesh, but it has to return following certain syntax. So what I will do, instead of typing Madhya Pradesh, I will use this option. I can click over here all unique. So what it does, it gives me all unique values which are present in a state name column. So now you can see the all unique values present in a state name column. These are only unique values, so there are no repetitions. So in original attribute table there are 600 feature, but here only you can see the only few features, and I can identify where the Madhya Pradesh is located, and here it is. So I will double click. So if I double click it, it will be carried into the expression. So now this is the expression state name equal to Madhya Pradesh, and it has written following particular syntax. Once this is done, then I will use this. I will click over here, select feature, and once I click it, my job is done. Yeah, let me see. I will just close this window. I will minimize the attribute table. Yeah, all the states, all the districts belong to the Madhya Pradesh state are now highlighted, and now I can use the same option and export save selected feature as. I can give a file name, that is the MP district 3. Remember, no space. Save. Yeah, here you are going to use this feature also. For example, here this select field export, which is sometimes minimized. You have to expand this. After expansion, you can see all the header rows again over here from the attribute table. So earlier we had exported only the selected feature, but we have carried all the rows in the new attribute table of the file. Here I can choose which row, which columns I want to carry. For example, in this new attribute new file of the MP district 3, I do not want the data of the state census code, district census code, and the census code. I only need a district, state name, and the area. So only 3 columns. So I can choose what data I want to carry further, or what data I want to export from the attribute table. So by selecting feature over here, we can select what geometry data related to geometry we want to export, and here we are selecting what data from the attribute table we want to export, and the rest of the things I will keep the same, and I will say OK. So now it has created MP district 3. Let me see the full extent. And so if I looked into the attribute table, now I can see only there are 3 entries in the attribute table. Okay, so we have seen over here that we can only select a specific columns from the attribute table while exporting the data. So far we have seen in this video how to export multiple features from a given vector file by using multiple options. So either you can select those features manually by using identifier feature, or you can select those features manually from the attribute table, or you can select those features by using selection by expression as an option. And you can do the same thing. Also, you can select which data you want to export or which column you want to export from the attribute table. Thank you.